क्लासिकल आदाब बिन या अली मदद में आपका होस्ट जलाल आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर। आप सब देख रहे हैं कॉफी विद जलाल ऑन रेडियो सोर्स इन कैलगरी। अगर आप एडमिंटन में हैं तो रेडियो सोर्स सागर इन एडमिंटन, या तो आप हमें दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से हमें देख रहे हैं। एज आई कैन सी देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर वाचिंग ऑलमोस्ट फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, इंडिया, अफ्रीका, Bangladesh, of course, like in Canada, US as well. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us for this. I think this is our first basically musical event for kind of the virtual event online. So let's hope, keep my finger crossed. Inshallah, everything will go fine. हम जैसे, as you know, my guests will be Moon and Tanzila. They're gonna join us in any second. तो अभी जैसे पता है कि आई से वन मेरी फेवरेट लाइन है कि जो देने में मजा है वो लेने में कहाँ। तो अभी जैसे आपको पता है कि बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडेमिक, ये जो कोरोना वायरस है, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हर्ट, स्पेशली जो है डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज। तो आपको जैसे पता है कि जो कि AKDN, उन्होंने एक अपना जो है डोनेशन जो शुरू किया है, इज गोइंग टू बी ग्लोबल पैंडेमिक रिलीफ फंड। सो वी आर सपोर्टिंग दैट कॉज। और अगर आप देखेंगे ऑन द टॉप ऑफ माय पोस्ट, वहां पे लिंक भी है। सो प्लीज इफ यू कैन कंट्रीब्यूट $2, $5, $10, whatever, आप जो भी आप डोनेट कर सकें, please do. It will go directly to Arakan Development Network, or 100%, and then whatever you contribute, 100%, it will go to the people in need. I can guarantee you that. So it will go 100% of your donation, contribution, whatever you want to say, it will go to the people in need, 100%. So please donate. आप जो है कुछ भी कर सकें. We are blessed to be in it, we are in North America, thank God. So हमें जो ऊपर वाले ने बहुत दिया है, अगर हम कुछ भी contribute कर सकें, like I said, $2, $5, $10, even $1, जो भी आप डोनेट कर सकें, प्लीज डू। जो लिंक है वो उसमें मेरी पोस्ट में है। I'm going to share it again on the comments. So if you can donate, they'll be great. और मेरे दोनों गेस्ट आ चुके हैं. There are so many comments are coming as well. Thank you so much everyone जिन्होंने हमें ज्वाइन किया है. There are so many people are watching. I'm going to name only few of them. अगर आप मेरा यहाँ पे आके देखें, it's like a 4-5 tablets and phones are sitting here because I don't want to miss any comment or like if someone is watching. So हमारे दोस्त हैं आबिद खान, Shayla, Shehzad, Lata ji, hello Lata ji, Suleiman, Nasreen, Khalid, Stacy, Ashrafnisa, Nisha, hello Nisha, then Asif, Aleem, Ismat, Salma, hello Salma ji, my co-host for the Salam Namaste Calgary. She will be with me on Tuesday, inshallah. Muhammad Hafiz, Shakil Gader, and there is Rishma. Hello Rish, how are you? Then there is Bob Chaglani from Edmond. Hello Bob, thank you so much. And then is Shahid. Shahid Murji, Neroz, Uma, Hussein. Hello Uma Mili, thank you so much for watching. Sandeep and just Sadiq, Malik, Sam. Hello Sam. Hussein, hello Hussein. Ali Madar. Shavi, hello Shavi, one of my good friends from the Red FM. From Red FM. Thank you so much. Amina, hello Amina. Tanzeel. Oh, Tanzeel is watching too. What a surprise. Riz Jadavji, Riz, thank you so much again for all your help we get each and every day. Like it's not even we do every week, each and every day. Thank you so much. And Amina and Ashraf Virani is watching as well. अगर आप कुछ भी comment करना चाहें, please do comment. I'm going to show on the screen just like this. There you go. I'm just gonna just like this. See, I'm going to show all the comments here. So please do comment. And if you want, and if you can sing along, that'll be great. Show me some hearts. Show some hearts to the artist. और then if you can guess the movie कि वो अपना गाना कौन सी मूवी का है, please do write in the comments. I love to see that if you can guess the right movie or no. Okay, before I know like it's been too long, like you've been listening to me. Hey, our Riz Jadhav ji, Jalal bhai, awesome show today. Thank you so much, Riz Jadhav ji. Thank you so much. Okay, here we go. So my first artist. One of my really good friend. She's smiling already. I can see that. There you go. Hello, Moon. How are you?
Hello. Eid Mubarak.
Yes. Everyone. Jeez.
Yeah. I'm good.
Okay, I'm gonna add our next artist. One of my really good friend as well. Tanzil Beidani. Hello, Tanzil. How are you?
Hello, how are you? Eid Mubarak, everybody.
Thank you so much to both of you to doing this for us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thanks enough for like to have both of you. Thank you so much. Acha Moon, so we're just gonna ask a couple of things, before we go on. Now you live in Seattle.
Yes.
Do you miss Calgary?
Very much. Calgary has been my home for, I don't know, for as long as I can remember. Like literally grew up in Calgary, so yes, I miss Calgary a lot. So
Okay, awesome. And Tanzil, you were in East Africa for last 4 to 6 months. And okay, so how did everything go in Africa? I mean, welcome back to Calgary.
Well, it was the best experience of my life, best 5 to 6 months of my life. Everything was great there. The people there are wonderful. They were all really welcoming. They took you in with open arms. And even the work there, I was working at the Aga Khan University. It was really rewarding work. I felt like I was making a difference to people who I've watched from far away, but I was glad that I could make a difference for them, with them, like by my side. So it was a really good experience.
Okay, well, yeah, good to have you back. And as you guys know, when I started the Coffee with Jalal show, you two, Moon and Tanzil, were the regular on my show almost every week, if not every second week. So I really miss you guys, you can tell. Good to have you together again. It's going to be so much fun for next hour or so. So let's start. We'll start. So Moon, we'll start with you. Are you ready?
I hope so. Let's see. Like I don't know if you mentioned before, but I would like to mention again if you haven't, or even if you did. You all know that recently Rishi Kapoor ji passed away, and we are doing a Eid special. I know it's supposed to be something like fun and joyous, but then his songs are so much like so full of fun and so full of life. So I would like to kind of like give him a tribute and do a couple of songs, his songs, and then maybe I'll do one or two like regular, like something that is close to my heart. So, okay.
Oh, really sounds good, and we can wait for it. So it's all yours, Moon.
So I'll start with the most popular one. It's Main Shayer To Nahi. Just give me a second. Let me.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys, agar aapko अच्छा लगा, I want to see some hearts. Come on, everyone. Show me some hearts. Hearts. And yeah, there were some answers to the question ke movie kaun si hai. Yes, it was a movie named Bobby. Am I right, Moon? Yes. So, Tanzil, are you ready?
Yes, Jalal uncle, I am ready. Hopefully the voice transfers to you properly.
Yes, it is. No, it is coming very well. So, okay, so it's all yours. And now we're going to have guys from Tanzil. So, of course, if you know the movie, and please show me some hearts. So, usse acha hai jo hamara artist hai, unke liye bada encouragement hota hai. Even for me as well, it's so encouraging. So many people are watching, commenting. Thank you so much, everyone. Show me some hearts. And of course, at the end of the day, we'll talk about my coffee mug as well. Moon, I know you don't have it. Tanzil, you don't have it. I know. I feel bad for you guys, but we'll do something for you.
Next time, mug se mug na leke aungi nahi aapke show se. Next time, jab jaungi, you'll have to give me a mug.
I will give it to you as soon as you are here. Okay, Tanzil, it's all yours.
Okay, perfect. So the song I'll be singing is by the very talented Lata Mangeshkar and Mukesh. Released in 1972, but I'm waiting for you guys to tell me what movie it is. Hope you like it. एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है। ला 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 ला, कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है, दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है। Thank you everybody. I'm seeing your comments up here. Thank you so much. तू धार है नदियाँ की, मैं तेरा किनारा हूँ, तू मेरा सहारा है, मैं तेरा सहारा हूँ, आँखों में समंदर है, आशाओं का पानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है। ला 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 ला, तूफान तो आना है, आकर चले जाना है, बादल है ये कुछ पल का, छाकर ढल जाना है, परछाइयाँ रह जाती निशानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है। Thank you.
Wow, awesome.
That was amazing, Tanzil.
Sorry guys, my sister is muting my mic. Thank you.
No, they were so awesome, and thank you so much everyone for all the hearts. And yes, it was a movie. Sure, thank you so much everyone. So there are so many comments are coming as well. There are a bunch of them actually. I can't even keep up with the comments. Thank you so much. Just keep on coming. Just कुछ ना कुछ लिखते रहे अच्छा, और any comments, movie name, show me some hearts. That's what we want to see. And of course, don't forget to contribute to AKDN Global Pandemic Relief Fund. Uska jo link hai, it's on my post right on the top. Please, whatever you can, it's for our brothers sisters around the world, the one who are not that much, जो इतने fortunate नहीं है, but I think it's been blessing for us. We are in the North America. We can help them. So let's hope we can do that, our job. Okay, Moon, you are next on the deck. Are you ready? Moon, okay, we cannot hear you. So your mic is off.
Okay, so I'm ready. I'm thinking of singing a song that is from a movie which has been such a big hit when, Rishi Kapoor was at his peak of his career. So let's see who can guess the movie. Okay.
Wow, mashallah, it was so, जो of course it's a movie. अच्छा, ये मूवी कौन सी मूवी है?
बड़े दिल वाला.
It's Bade Dilwala. I just watched it last week actually. It was wonderful to hear again, and mashallah, there are so many good comments are coming for both of you. What about me, guys? What about me? Maybe तो गाना गा सकता हूँ. If I want, I can sing a song too. But I just want to give them a chance. आप लोग भी थोड़ा famous हो जाओ. Yeah, it's all yours today. I won't say, I won't sing anything. So don't worry. It's all good. Okay, Tanzil, are you ready?
Yes, Jalal and Moon, that was wonderful. That was beautiful. So the next song I'll be singing, it's a little less lively, but I know that it's a song that's really close to my heart. And there's a few people who are watching right now who I also know, they absolutely love this song. So I'm gonna take it away. होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो. होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो. बन जाओ मीत मेरी प्रीत अमर कर दो. होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो. This song is sung by the wonderfully talented Jagjit Singh, so this is, I guess, a tribute to him as well. We've lost a lot of gems. ना उम्र की सीमा हो, ना जन्म का हो बंधन. ना उम्र की सीमा हो, ना जन्म का हो बंधन. जब प्यार करे कोई तो देखे केवल मन. नई रीत चला कर तुम, ये रीत अमर कर दो. नई रीत चला कर तुम, ये रीत अमर कर दो. आकाश का सोनापन मेरे तन्हा मन में. आकाश का सोनापन मेरे तन्हा मन में. पायल छनकाती तो आ जाओ जीवन में. सांसें देकर अपनी संगीत अमर कर दो. संगीत अमर कर दो, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो. जग ने छीना मुझसे, मुझे जो भी लगा प्यारा. जग ने छीना मुझसे, मुझे जो भी लगा प्यारा. सब जी ना किए मुझसे, मैं हरदम ही हारा, तुम हार के दिल अपना मेरी जीत अमर कर दो, तुम हार के दिल अपना मेरी जीत अमर कर दो, होठों से छू लो तुम मेरा गीत अमर कर दो, बन जाओ मीत मेरे मेरी प्रीत अमर कर दो, होठों से छू लो तुम मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। Thank you.
Wow, mashallah, kya baat hai. You know what, Moon and Tanzil? Actually, I'm feeling like, you know, कि मेरे right side पे श्रेया घोषाल है और मेरे left side पे सुनिधि चौहान है. I'm serious. I'm getting a goosebumps here. You know, I'm very honest. My God.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lalan.
Thank you, thank you. That was a big compliment.
But so you won't get a mug. Still, you won't get a mug until you come here, eh?
But when I come there, I'm not leaving without a mug. That's for sure.
It's yours.
Yeah, that's mine.
You know, actually, Jalal uncle, I think Moon and I deserve more than a mug. Please. We've
Oh my
been to
God,
so
Tanzil,
many
you said
shows.
it.
Like, I think 11, 12, I don't even know.
Okay, why don't you take me for dinner or lunch, anything? I'm open for anything right now. So yes, sure, I'll come.
Okay, Tanzil, pick a place next time I come. We're all going.
Will do.
Okay, so Moon, you are on the hot seat next now. So what are you going to sing for us?
I'm thinking maybe this song is also something very popular. तू तू है वही दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा. Yeah.
Yes, go for it. Yeah.
जाए किस तरह वो लहरें जिस तरह वो मिल जाए किस तरह वो लहरें जिस तरह फिर हो ना जुदा कोई वादा रहा तू है वही दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा तू है जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ अब तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सजा किसी मोड़ पे मेरा ये साथ छूटे मेरे हाथ से तेरा दामन न छूटे ला 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 कभी ख्वाब में तेरा मुझसे न रूठे मेरे प्यार की कोई खुशियाँ न लूटे मिल जाए किस तरह वो लहरें जिस तरह वो मिल जाए किस तरह वो लहरें जिस तरह फिर हो ना जुदा कोई वादा रहा तू है वही दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा तू है जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ अब तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सजा
Thank you so much, Moon. Thank you so much. So, Moon, if I ask you, okay, what is your favorite Rishi Kapoor movie?
I think that could be Ye Wada Raha.
Is that right? Eh?
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful. And what about
and Diwana.
and Diwan? Okay.
Yes.
And what about you, Tanzil? Which is your favorite?
आप ये पूछो कि कौन सी मेरी फेवरेट नहीं है I love all movies. I think like I don't know. I would say currently like I love sad movies like Bagban and like Kal Ho Na Ho. Did you ask for a Rishi Kapoor movie?
Yes, please.
Oh, I don't know. It's hard. You're putting me on the spot. I'll think about it and let you know.
Okay, yeah. It's like, I think for last 2-3 weeks, I've watched so many Rishi Kapoor's movie, including Bade Dilwala, Sagar, Curse, and all these movies. Just amazing.
Cars
amazing.
is really good. I agree. I've watched it.
Okay, so you're next, Tanzil. Go ahead.
Okay, perfect. So, I know that we have a really good old song mood set up, but I'm just gonna change it around a little. So I'll be singing a new song. It was originally sung by Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, but then it was recreated for a Bollywood movie, and I will be singing the new version, the unplugged version. I hope you enjoy it. मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करा इंतजार तेरा दूर तो या जान मेरी जान मेरी मेरे दिल ने चुन लिया ने तेरे दिल दिया राह मेरे दिल ने चुन लिया ने तेरे दिल दिया राह तू जो मेरे नाल तुरेता तुर पे मेरी असां जीना मेरा है हुण है तेरा की मैं करा तू कर एतबार मेरा मैं करा इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तो यो जान मेरी जान मेरी जान मेरी मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बाजो लगदा जी वे चंगा नहीं हो कीता बेबान वे चंगा नहीं हो कीता बेबान दिल मेरा तोड़ के वे बड़ा पछताया खा वे बड़ा पछताया खा नाल तेरे जोड़ के Thank you.
Just beautiful, Tanzil. Thank you so much.
It was so good, Tanzil.
Thank
It
you
just
so
like
much.
this song just suited your voice so
Oh,
nice.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. So, Moon, you are in Seattle. So, okay, what's the 3 things you miss from Calgary?
3 things that I miss from Calgary.
Yes, please.
Calgary itself, the city, like it's my city, like I miss it, and I miss my friends. That includes you, the show, and I miss going to Northeast and getting all kinds of desi food whenever I want. These are the 3 most things that I miss, like
Well, who knew you would miss the northeast of Calgary out of all things?
No, Northeast, like where you find all the desi food. Yeah.
No, I feel you. It must be really hard without it.
Oh yeah, believe me, it's hard.
Okay, Moon, so you are next now, please.
Okay, so I'm thinking one more Rishi Kapoor song. If you guys are not too bored. Are we getting any comments that we are bored of Rishi Kapoor song?
Geez, no, hear you.
Okay, so one more Rishi Kapoor, okay? This one is also something like, very, very popular. I picked all the popular songs so that everyone knows what I'm singing.
Wow, it was beautiful. One of my favorite songs, Sagar Kinare. And of course,
Thank
That
people.
was beautiful. I think that's my mom's favorite song, so I'm sure she loved it.
That
Or,
is a beautiful song.
So there are people asking me to sing as well. लेकिन आज मैंने बोला कि मैं अपने आप को कभी मैं मगरूरी नहीं करता हूँ. So I won't sing today. I will talk to you guys today. So जो हुसैन है, there are people who want me to sing. नहीं आज नहीं. मैं जब भी गाऊंगा आप लोग सबको बुला लेंगे. We'll do a even bigger party inshallah. Okay, Tanzil, you're on the deck now.
Okay, so next up is it's not very new, but it's fairly new. Romantic song from my favorite movie, which I'm sure you guys will guess right away. So, and this song is dedicated to my dad because he absolutely loves this song and he told me to sing it. So this is for you, Daddy. You're upstairs, so enjoy. रहे चाहत के दिए तेरे लिए हम जिए हर आंसू पिए तेरे लिए हम जिए होठों को सिए दिल में मगर जलती रहे चाहत के दिए तेरे लिए जिंदगी लेके आई है बीते दिनों की किताब जिंदगी लेके आई है बीते दिनों की किताब घेरे है अब हमें यादें बेहिसाब बिना पूछे मिले मुझे कितने सारे जवाब चाहा था क्या पाया है क्या हमने देखिए हमें मगर जलती रहे चाहत के लिए तेरे लिए क्या कहूँ दुनिया ने किया मुझसे कैसा बैर क्या कहूँ दुनिया ने किया मुझसे कैसा बैर हुक्म था मैं जीऊँ लेकिन तेरे बगैर नादा है वो कहते हैं जो मेरे लिए तुम हो गए कितने सितम हम पे सनम लोगों ने किए दिल में मगर जलती रहे चाहत के दिए तेरे लिए हम जिए होठों को सिए तेरे लिए हम जिए हर आंसू पिए दिल में मगर जलती रहे चाहत के दिए तेरे लिए Wow, that song had like no break. It's like, okay, thank you.
No, it was wonderful. Yeah, there are so many requests are coming as well. So let's finish our whatever we decided to sing. So we might do few requests, two lines each if it's possible. So we'll go for it. Or as you guys know, you guys are on the Coffee with Jalal. So there is no Coffee with Jalal show without the rapid fire round. So we'll have some fun at the end.
Okay, this is not part of the deal that was made.
Yeah,
Okay, let's see what you got, Jalal uncle.
Let me put you on the spot as well a little bit and have some fun. How's this sound? Okay, Moon, you're next, please.
Okay. Okay, so this is not a Rishi Kapoor song. This is, I'm not going to mention the movie again, but very, very popular and very close to my heart. Okay. And very difficult. So please forgive my mistakes. तुमसे कैसा है मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है ये तुमसे कैसा है पर सामने जब तुम आते हो पर सामने जब तुम आते हो कुछ भी कहने से डरता है ओ मेरे साजन ओ मेरे साजन 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 मेरे साजन 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 साजन
wow, just beautiful, man.
It was such
You know,
a
यहाँ पे एक
beautiful
जो है
song.
comment है, and I know it is
That was so
difficult.
pretty, Moon. One of my favorite songs.
Like, you know, यहाँ पे comment है, we can read it. It's from Riz Jadhav ji. Wow, started bringing back so many wonderful memories with his song 1996 release, Moon, sounding just like Alka Yagnik. Wow.
Thank you all for all your beautiful comments. I'm reading them right now. Unfortunately, I'm trying not to comment back, but I'll make sure that I thank you personally after we're done. Thank you for listening again.
Yeah, no, I think that this is very nice. You know, there are so many people are watching and listening and commenting as well. Thank you so much, everyone. You can go on, you know, like we are just trying to help. You know, there is a link on the top of my post. It's for the AKDN. It's for the global. It's a global pandemic relief fund. So there is a link as link. There's a please if you can contribute or donate any amount you can, $2, $5, $10, like whatever. It will 100% of your donation or contribution will go to Arkham Development Network. It will go directly to them. So we are not having any cash or nothing. Directly. So thank you again in advance to everyone. Okay, Tanzil, you are next.
Okay, perfect. So next up, I will have also a new song, also an unplugged version. I hope you guys like it. It's from the, oh, actually, no. I'll wait for you guys to answer that. Okay. यही डूबे दिन मेरे यही होते हैं सवेरे यही मरना और जीना यही मंदिर और मदीना तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तड़पावे गलियां तेरी गलियां तू मेरी नींदों में सोता है तू मेरे अश्कों में रोता है सरगोशी सी है ख्यालों में तू ना हो फिर भी तू होता है सिला तड़पावे गलियां तेरी गलियां कैसा है रिश्ता तेरा मेरा बेचेहरा फिर भी कितना गहरा ये लम्हे लम्हे रेशम से खो जाए खो ना जाए हमसे काफिला वक्त का रुक ले अब दिल से जुदा ना हो तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तड़पावे गलियां तेरी गलियां Thank you.
Wow. It was a beautiful, beautiful tanzil as always. Yeah, there are some requests as well from the people like Chura Liya Hai, Bangla song, or the Sholay movie song. There are so many requests are coming in as well. So Moon, what do you have in your bucket right now?
I actually don't have anything. I had a very like long week. Like I had something going on, and like this is all I prepared. But I saw that there has been some requests for I think Bangla. So maybe I can sing a couple of lines of a Bangla song that is very close to my heart. So maybe that would work. I don't know.
Yes, please go for it.
Okay, let's see which one. Everyone knows Chitra Singh, I'm hoping. So, like one of her song, without any music. Okay. মনে করো যদি সব ছেড়ে হায় চলে যেতে হয় কখনো আমায় মনে রবে কি রজনী ভরে নয়ন দুটি ঘুমে জড়াতে নিশিরাতে কে গান শোনাতো মনে করো যদি সব ছেড়ে হায় চলে যেতে হয় কখনো আমায় মনে রবে কি রজনী ভরে নয়ন দুটি ঘুমে জড়াতে নিশিরাতে কে গান শোনাতো মনে করো তোমারই পথে ফুল ছড়াই
Wow, wow, wow. MashaAllah.
I didn't have any music for it, but it's one of my most favorite songs.
Okay, good. So, you know, in Hindi, how do you say hello, how are you? How do you say hello?
Sorry.
No, no, yeah, what I was saying, like in Bengali, how do you say hi, hello, how are you?
We say like, salam, kemon acho? Kemon acho is basically how are you? So the reply would be bhalo achi. Tumi kemon acho?
Bola ke same to you.
Sorry?
No, I said same to you.
Thank you.
Okay, Tanzil, you are next. Go for it.
Okay, so I did notice in one of the comments that someone had requested Chiralia. So I will be singing that upon request. I do have a karaoke for it, but I haven't practiced it much. So if I miss the timings, please forgive me. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम, ले लिया दिल, ओ है मेरा दिल, हाय दिल लेकर मुझको ना बहलाना, चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम. बाहर बन के आऊं कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाए ये दिन कहीं इसी तमन्ना में, बाहर बन के आऊं कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाए ये दिन कहीं इसी तमन्ना में, तुम मेरे हो तुम मेरे हो, आज तुम इतना वादा करते जाना, चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम. Next up, we have a male verse. I will just sing it. Doesn't make sense, but I will sing it. सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लोगों की लाली को, सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लोगों की लाली को, है वफा Thank you. I'm glad I sang it there.
So, before we end our show, so I'm going to ask you a few rapid fire round. Are you guys ready? Few rapid fire questions?
Yeah, sure.
I'm not ready.
Depends on the
but, you
round.
know, I'm on the spot.
Okay, so I'll ask you, Moon, and it's going to be same question for you, Tanzeel.
Okay.
Okay, Moon, who's your favorite singer?
Shreya Ghoshal.
Tanzeel?
Oh, sorry. Ustad Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan.
MashaAllah. Okay, so if you get a chance to go for a date with any Bollywood actor, who would you go with?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Hrithik Roshan.
Well, okay, Moon, who was your childhood crush?
Salman Khan.
I'm pretty sure Hrithik Roshan again.
Okay, so if you get a chance to interview like any Bollywood or any public figure, who would you interview? Who would you like to interview?
Who would I like to interview, or who would I like being interviewed by?
No. You like to interview someone.
Oh God. I don't know. Lata Mangeshkar. I think she has so much talent and so much experience, and I feel like everyone needs to learn from her. Like what she's gone through in her life, she still sounds like a young girl. So I'm sure there's a lot of advice that she could give. So her.
Yeah. What about you, Moon?
I think I would say Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Just because I don't know, I feel like he's such a versatile character. I'm not going to talk about just singing just because I have so many I would want to or love to interview, but Amitabh Bachchan is such a character that I think he would be able to set an example or give us so much real life examples that he struggled with and how he came through all those and became today's Amitabh Bachchan, so.
You're muted.
Sorry. As you know, the Rani Mukherjee is the favorite. कोई भी गाना हो जाए, please, मेरे लिए अपना. कोई भी Rani Mukherjee का गाना. Anyone.
I think I just sang. I dedicated one to you.
Did you? When was that?
Just a few weeks back. Come on.
So अभी 2 लाइन.
It's Tanzeel's turn now.
I can do one if you want.
Yes, please.
Just pulling it up.
ये अपना मुंह में तो मेरा दिल तोड़ दिया.
Okay.
Go for it.
Sorry. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. I'm searching it up. Just give me 1 second. Oh, oops. For this song, 1 second. Oh my God. Sorry, guys.
So, by the time you can look for the song, I can just say a few things.
Yes.
Guys, so this Tuesday, June the 2nd, we're going to have on the June the 2nd, we're going to have a Salam Namaste Calgary show with me and Salmaji. And we're going to have 3 smiley artists from Calgary, Salim Punjani, Farzana Kerani, and Hussein. So they're going to be on the show. They're going to perform live as well. Tuesday, 6:30 Calgary time. And then the next Saturday, Bollywood singer Sameer and Deepali Date, they will be on the show 9:30 a.m. Saturday, Calgary morning. And they will be kind of the one-on-one with me Saturday 9:30, and they're going to perform live as well. It's going to be lots of fun with them. I can guarantee you that. And then there are so many other artists around the way, like the Fadi Fab. There is Nafisa Dalwani from London, UK. She's going to be on the show. Then there's a Pallav Singh from Indian Idol season 11. He's coming as well. So there, and then one more, Chef Ali Jadhav, the one was on the Master Chef. He's going to be on the show. There's so many great and beautiful people are coming on the show. So just stay tuned. Keep checking my all the pages, Coffee with Jalal, my personal Salam Numbers in Calgary, and you'll get all the details, time, and the dates. Okay, Tanzil, are you ready?
Yeah. It's been a while, so if I get the tune wrong, I'm sorry. Okay. It's from a movie, Chalte Chalte. प्यार हमको भी है, प्यार तुमको भी है, तो ये क्या सिलसिले हो गए, बेवफा हम नहीं, बेवफा तुम नहीं, तो क्यों इतने गिले हो गए, चलते चलते कैसे फासले हो गए, हो क्या पता कहाँ हम चले, कहाँ हम चले. I'm pretty sure I did not sing that properly, but there you go, Jalal.
No, that was pretty good. That reminded me of one song. I don't know, like, which movie is it? Tum Hi Dekho Na?
Chalte Chalte.
No, this one was from Chalte Chalte, but this
Dekho Na. Yes, it's from Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, I think.
Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna? I can sing a couple of lines from there, I think. Is it okay, Jalal bhai?
Go. For it.
Okay. तुम ही देखो ना ये क्या हो गया, तुम्हारा हूँ मैं और तुम मेरी, मैं हैरान हूँ तुम्हें क्या कहूँ कि दिन में हुई कैसी चांदनी, जागी जागी सी है फिर भी ख्वाबों में है, खोई खोई जिंदगी, तुम्हें देखो ना ये क्या हो गया, तुम्हारा हूँ मैं और तुम मेरी.
Wow, I'm honored. You know, I'm going to give a standing ovation for both of you. Thank you.
Thank you. I don't even know like if the sur was on like the point. Just like
I love this song. I just remembered it.
I love this song too, so I hope I didn't disrespect it.
You know what? It was beautiful. और मैं और रानी दुगर जी हम दोनों एक दूसरे से अलग-अलग नहीं रह सकते. Now everyone knows now. Okay, before I let you guys go, the last question about the Coffee with Jalal show and the Salam Namaste Calgary show. We try our best to bring like whatever talent, wherever the talent is, we try to bring on our show. So what do you want to say about us? Couple of lines, if it's possible. What do you think? Are we doing something right?
I think your show, like, I don't know, your show has put like, a lot of talents in Calgary out there, like, people who were looking for a way to come out of their comfort zone and be a singer or be a performer or be someone in any way. I think your show has helped them come out of their little shell and be more comfortable in front of people, and you have helped them exposed to the world, world knows them because of you. Like for me, I know personally I appreciate you for pushing me to come to your show and singing, and and I got so much support from everyone, and at first I was a little bit reluctant, oh my god, I don't want to sing, and I'm not comfortable, but you're the person and your show is the media that helped people like me come out and be known into the world basically. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, Tanzil.
Yes, so my comments are going to be mirroring Moon's as well. Both of us have been part of your show from years, so we've seen its progression. We've seen how you guys have, brought talents, made them step out of their comfort zone. And the best part is that you're making people hear us and know about us from around the world. And I think as artists, we are nothing without the support that we get. So the fact that you are allowing that is beautiful. So congratulations, keep doing what you're doing. And one more thing, the one best thing that came out of Coffee with Jalal, or I guess what it used to be called before, is the partnership walk dinners. And I've been singing for them for the last couple of years, and I think it's amazing how you can use your talent to, raise money for such a good cause. Like that is the best thing that you could do with your talent, is help others and be in the service of others. So thank you for allowing us to have that chance.
Yeah, well, very well said, both of you. Thank you so much, Tanzil and Moon. There are so many comments, so many people are watching. Thank you each and every one of you for the comment, for your time, for your support. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. And please, if you can contribute to AKDN Pandemic Global Relief Fund, please do so. $2, $5, $10, $100, whatever you can contribute, please. It's for a good cause, and 100% will go to the AKDN. And जो उसका link है, it's top of my off my post. It's right there. So please click on it, and you can donate as much you want. Thank you so much, Moon. Thank you so much, Tanzil. I miss you guys. I hope.
Sorry. I want to say something before we leave. I want to thank everybody who's watching. Thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for your support. We really appreciate it.
Thank you all. True, I'm gonna say the same thing like Tanzil. Thank you all for all your lovely comments. All you to actually be here to support us. Thank you so much.
And last time when we did the show, me, you, and Tanzil, it was when we were promoting Neha Kakkar show. If you remember.
I remember.
Yeah, it was just fun as well. And
it was so much fun.
Yeah, it was Salma Jadavji was with us as well. So thanks again, everyone. Thank you to both of you, and God bless you. Stay safe, and inshallah we'll do it again soon. और guys जो हमें देख रहे हैं सुन रहे, thank you so much everyone for joining us today. अल्लाह आप सबको खुश रखे. I say one more, one thing again. जो देने में मजा है वो लेने में नहीं. So please, if you can contribute, मेरा salute आपको. Thank you so much everyone. खुदा हाफिज़, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, and या अली मदद.